Hey everyone, welcome back. Did the Fidelity app stop working right after you update your iPhone to a new iOS version? Here's the quick fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down at the same time. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary conflicts with apps, and a full restart clears most of these right away. After restarting, go to the App Store and tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for Fidelity in the list of available updates. After that, once you see it, tap on it and then tap update right after if you see one. If there is no update yet and Fidelity is still broken, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll to the list of apps and find Fidelity, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, reinstall it fresh from the App Store, and that's it. This will get you a cleaner build for your new iOS. So all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check App Store for a Fidelity update, offload and reinstall if needed. Fidelity works on your new iOS, and that's it. Subscribe.